costing capsule number 3 is for packing cost. Friends, when you make cost sheet, you come across two types of packing cost, that is primary packing cost and secondary packing cost. Primary packing cost is taken before cost of production, and your secondary packing cost is taken after cost of goods sold, and that is along with selling and distribution expenses. Now let us understand why so and what are exactly this primary and secondary packing cost. Friends, we ring thumbs up. We all ring thumbs up. It is packed in plastic bottles or glass bottles or a metal container. This thumbs up bottles, plastic, glass, metal, they come into direct contact with the product, thumbs up. And hence these bottles are called primary packing cost. And these are essential to the product, right? And hence they are taken along with cost of production, that is before cost of production they are added. Now, there are something plastic crates which are used to hold 10 or 10, 20 bottles of thumbs up. But these plastic crates do not come into direct contact with the thumbs up product, right? And hence, these plastic crates are called secondary packing cost because they do not come into direct contact. Okay, friends, remember this: primary packing cost comes into direct contact with the product, and hence it is included in your cost of production. But these plastic crates are useful when you sell the product, when you distribute the product. Hence, they're taken with selling and distribution expense, that is after cost of goods. So, friends, this is about the packing cost.